Google announces these new features for Android devices. Google has announced 5 new features for Android users to enhance user experience and accessibility. These features will work more efficiently, improving how users interact with smartphones, tablets, and Wear OS devices. Here are the new features released by Google for Android users. Google Talkback is one of the features announced for Android users. The feature is specifically designed for visually impaired individuals or those having low vision. It's an accessibility tool that makes digital images more accessible with Gemini-powered detailed audio descriptions on devices, as navigating digital content can be challenging for them. The feature will tell users what's in the images. For instance, instead of saying a person, Talkback is expected to describe the person's clothes, surroundings, and actions. Google now allows Android users to search music using its Circle to Search feature. Instead of switching apps or using a separate music recognition tool, users can long press the home button or the navigation bar on their Android device. This would activate Circle to Search, allowing one to identify the song playing around. It will tell the song title, artist's name, and the option to watch a YouTube video of the song. The tech giant is expanding the Android earthquake alert system to all the US states. The feature aims to give users a heads up before the shaking starts. The system is trained on data from millions of Android devices to detect earthquakes. Now, if someone is in an area where an earthquake is detected, the device will send an alert a few seconds before the shaking begins, giving time to prepare for what's needful. Google now provides a feature, Listen to Web Pages Aloud, for those who prefer listening over reading. Now users can listen to web pages on Chrome, including blog posts, recipes, or the latest news articles, with an option to choose their preferred listening speed, type of voice, and language. Google now gives Android users access to offline Google Maps on Wear OS devices. With this new feature, if users have downloaded a map on their phone, it gives direct access from a smartwatch even when the phone isn't around.